The partnership with Get started a long time ago because, if I remember correctly, in 2010 we began the collaboration when we switched from the carburetor to electronic fuel injection, and Get already had a product ready for a single-cylinder engine. We had to find a partner, a reliable partner, who could provide us with significant support in the preparation, development and fine-tuning of the motorcycle, which, starting from a standard product, then had to be improved to the maximum for what was the racing activity, and we chose Get. Using a product is not just about attaching it and doing a plug and play. You put it on the bike and go. Behind it, there are many things. There is a final tuning, there is a validation by the pilot so that he can be convinced that in the choices made there is the best mapping. However, there is also the matter of what is upstream, namely the process of designing an electronic component and then tuning it. From the supplier, in this case GED, I think it is essential to then enable us to do the final part.
The engineer from Get is here around, and we can also improve and the connection between him and the team and him with the R&D. So for sure everything is really important to help each other and to provide all the best for the rider, yes.
For the races, two configurations are prepared. Depending on the track or track conditions, there may be two basic configurations that are similar, if not identical, but with different levels of intervention of launch control. In map number 1, there can be a starting level of 5, while in map number 2, there can be a level 3, in order to still provide an option at the last moment and give the pilot the freedom to choose what will be the best solution behind the wheel. Then we utilize Maya for all the strategies dedicated to the team, wherein with Fabio we determine what could be the most appropriate configurations.
I'm very happy with the Get products. With the team, we test a lot with Get, and we try to get the best solution, get the best performance on track. Yeah, it's going really well so far. I can say from a rider's perspective, we have the launch control with the bike because of the Get system we are using before the start. And you can see the RPM on the system, so we know exactly what the RPM is before we release the clutch. And also the mapping, you know, we can change the mapping during the riding. We can either have map 1 or map 2, and this is also helping us during the riding if we want to change something with the electronics. So that's some of the benefits that we as a rider can change on the bike.